Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu anha says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away in my house on the day of my turn, while he was resting against my chest and neck. Whenever he sallallahu alaihi wasallam would become ill, each one of us would recite ta'awuz and then make supplication. So at that time when I recited ta'awuz, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam lifted his glance towards the sky and said, to the highest companion, to the highest companion. Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Abu Bakr came to me with a fresh branch in his hand. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam looked at it, so I realized that he sallallahu alaihi wasallam felt its need. So I took that from him, chewed its one end, cleansed it and gave it to him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam used it well. Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam intended to give it back, but his hand dropped, or it dropped from his hand. In this way Allah Jalla Jalaluhu mixed his saliva with mine on the day which was his last day in the world and the first day in the hereafter. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4451.